What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Also, go check out yesterday's video because it was so cool. I loved making that video. It's actually probably my favorite GTR video of all times. Like, I swear to you guys, I've never seen a video that good about a GTR. I'm not trying to be like cocky or anything like that, but I mean, that's kind of the whole purpose of me making the video. Is just like, I felt like every single time that I wanted to see something cool about like a GTR, I could never find anything. And so I'm like looking for all of these like movie type things. Like, I just wanted something quality of like a GTR, and I just couldn't find it anywhere. And so I decided, why don't I just make it myself? And so that's what I did. So if you guys have not seen that video, please go check it out and like that video as well. You guys will love that video if you like GTRs. And without further ado, we're gonna do some exhaust comparison. That'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, leave a like on this video and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.